pencil, right, to do your business, and it folded. So did you do that? It cost me $5,000 then. So did you say thank you? No, bitch. When I got out, I helped your bum ass get your account right? Until I stopped fucking helping. All the money I kept fucking giving you with no fucking remorse. Here it is, you forgot about that.
You told me to give it to me.
But I don't do nothing.
I don't do nothing.
No, I'm saying I don't do nothing, though. That's what I'm talking about.
No, I don't say you don't do anything. I don't want to live your fucking criminal lifestyle. I don't want to deal with the police. I don't want any of it.
Hold up, come on. You got to be a big one.
No, I'm not going to live.
You want to yell?
I don't want to yell. I want to stop.
You don't want to live my criminal life. Come on. My stay there, your bum ass. Your bum ass don't do nothing. That's how I feel about you. You're a fucking piece of shit. That's how I feel. You want to keep saying I'm a bum?
I don't say you're a bum. I don't say you're a bum. I don't. I just don't want to be